Hey guys, Robert Ayers here. Wanted to touch base with everyone today in reference to the 𝐂𝐤𝐧𝐬𝐬 dog food recently having a recall. Vitamin D too much, toxic levels. And what I wanted to do, guys, was bring to the table for you guys a list of names of dog foods that you might use that you think are good, quality dog foods that really aren't. And then I'm also going to give you a list of dog foods you might look into if you are feeding one of these others, okay? So 𝐂𝐤𝐧𝐬𝐬 science diet, guys, I've told my customers for years not to use these. They're not properly formulated. Really just almost a trash dog food. And I think where a lot of people get confused is because the vets do push this. But it doesn't change that it's not a good dog food, guys. In this case, it was just, there was too much vitamin D. And it doesn't change their formula at all, but still, vitamin D at high levels obviously are toxic. Vitamin D is important for nutrients. That helps regulate calcium, phosphorus in our dogs. We also know that this is essential for bone growth. However, too much vitamin D, we're going to have vomiting. We're going to have, they're going to stop eating. They're going to stop drinking, frequent urinating. They're going to drool excessively. They're going to lose weight, and they will die from kidney failure. So in 2018, there were 9 companies that had vitamin D, a recall on their food from vitamin D. But again, guys, what we got to do is watch for these good companies versus the bad companies. And like I said, science diet, 𝐂𝐤𝐧𝐬𝐬, stay away from them. Stay away from them. Couple other Purina, guys. A lot of people still do Purina. 𝐖𝐢𝐭𝐡, 𝐂𝐭𝐡, Wellness, Halo, Blue. Blue has had so many recalls. They were sued by Purina for their ingredients were false. They were not putting in there what they said they were putting in there. Guys, Blue, they have more recalls than any other company off the top of my head that I know. And everyone thinks that Blue is one of the greatest companies. And they're not. Stay away from Blue. Again, Purina, 𝐖𝐢𝐭𝐡, 𝐂𝐭𝐡. These are some of the companies people think, hey, I've got a quality dog food. We don't. Guys, couple good dog foods that have been around, proven themselves, that are more towards the meat side, and that's what you want. You want your meat. You want everything formulated and broken down properly for your dog. Victor's, Taste of the Wild, From, Darwin's, Origin, Signature. Now, those are kind of higher quality dog foods. If you guys are looking for something that's a little more economical, something that's easier on the pocketbook, now Taste of the Wild is made by the same company that also makes 4Health. It makes Diamond. So, your 4Health is going to be kind of in the middle. But no, whichever ones you do choose, guys, let's go with the grain-free. There have been some problems with some of these companies that, using grain-free, they're using other ingredients in there that are affecting our dogs. And that's another reason you need to just look at these companies and know what you're feeding your dog before you do. And know what they have in their blend, okay? So, and if you're looking to really save money, again, Diamond, guys, again, go with the grain-free. But Taste the Wild is going to be your top. 4Health somewhere in the middle. And Diamond, if you just really, you want to try to feed your dog the best dog food you can, but budgeting's an issue, there you go. So anyways, guys, I just want to put that out there short and sweet. Again, this is one of the reasons, if you can ever do raw, do raw. Like I tell people, it doesn't have to be a big raw diet, even if you're doing where you can mix it up and you do raw 3 times a week. That's not necessarily going to change what would have happened here for these people. But again, raw is the best thing you can do for your dog. And that's just 100% fact. So, check out my other video. And guys, if you like the information you hear today, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more information. Again, we're here to educate pet owners, breeders. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to ask them and I will address them. So again, let's stay away from some of these dog foods, guys. Just because we've heard the name, we think they're great, we're learning. We have access to finding, what our dogs need, what they don't need, what their ingredients are. Is this a good dog food? And, so I'm here to help you guys do that, okay? Again, if you have any questions, let me know. But Just, again, it's all about the health of our dogs, guys. Alrighty? Bye-bye.